Howdy folks, it's Will from Lakeshore RV. This is the brand new Wildwood 22ERAS. Brand new floor plan. Look for it here at Lakeshore RV Center. We have it in stock. It's gonna be ready to go. We offer easy financing and super quick delivery. We'll get this in your door, lickety split. With all this counter space in this rear kitchen, you could set up camp, have everything fingertips away. Huge pantry, huge windows, stylish design, king size bed, tankless hot water heater. With this hidden storage, look how easy it is to open. Bang! Huge storage. We offer easy financing and super quick delivery. Come on in, check this thing out.